Hello, I figured I'd make one of these videos myself. I have struggled with installing this wiper blade, but I've now figured it out for my Tesla Model Y. So now I'm going to show you how it's done, and let's see if I can do this. So the first thing is, I have the Bosch PureVision here. And for the Tesla Model Y, at least the 2023 model, the first thing you'd want to do is remove this guy. Bosch has a video on that, but I'm going to go ahead and take this off camera, but then I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, cool. Now that I got it off, just ripped it right off. I don't plan on using these blades, so feel free to be pretty aggressive with it, actually. Now, for the Tesla Model Y, what you're going to want specifically is number 6 here. 6 is the narrow width lock, essentially. And this one is a little bit more particular than the other adapters that they provide. The first thing you want to double check here is if you see there's an arrow pointing in a certain direction, and on the blade itself there's an arrow. You want to make sure that they're both lined up, and then all you do, once they're in line, you take it on top and snap it right in. Cool. Now we're ready to install the wiper blade onto the car itself now. Now, something you do also want to make sure of, I already have it set, but you want to go down here to service and then activate wiper service mode. That will lift the wiper blades up in a higher position to install the wiper blades. So I'll meet you right back outside. So here's just a quick demo on how to take off the Tesla wiper blade. There will be a square here. You push that in. You could even try it one-handed as I hold the camera. I'd pull it out a little bit, and as you notice, it's a little tough. I would recommend pushing down on the bit hanging out here, and then just push it out. There we go. And like that, it should come right off. You might have to be a little bit forceful, a little bit forceful with it, but it will eventually come out. Now, to install this wiper blade specifically, I did have some challenges with it. First off, you want to make sure, again, the arrow is facing outwards. Well, I initially thought you had to slide this guy in. Here, I'll show sort of what I was attempting to do. I thought, just like the Tesla blade, you would have to slide this in. I could never get this to work. However, what I realized after watching a video somewhere, you have to actually put it underneath. So let's go ahead and do that now. Excuse me, and face it the right way, obviously. So have this guy standing up into the hole here. So have it go underneath, push him in, and then push down. There we go. And just like that, it is on. And you guys won't believe how long that took me to figure out. But here we are. So I'm gonna do this now on the driver's side. Again, have it face upward, just underneath the blade. Stick it in right underneath. Come on. And be patient with it too. Just get it right underneath and then push down. And just like that. Now we got, focus. We've got the wiper blades installed. So hope this helps you guys. I didn't find anything like this, so if you guys liked it, please leave a like and comment, and yeah, happy driving.